Women, Life, Freedom, or Zan Zendgi Azadi is not just a movement. It's a global call for action and standing with brave Iranian women and girls who are risking their lives to gain back their fundamental human rights. These are the same rights that many of us take it for granted every single day. The right to education, the right to work, and the freedom to choose. But let me be clear, this movement is not just about Iranian women. This is a fight against generational oppression, silencing women, and controlling of women that is happening all around the world, across borders, regions, and religions. It's a movement that is long overdue and needs to be supported by all of us. My name is Helia, and I'm an Iranian woman. I have seen firsthand the injustices that women face in my country and around the world. It's a reality that has completely changed the trajectory of my life. And it's a reality that many of us have experienced. While I'm not ready to share my story of what happened to me, I'm here today to speak up for the millions of women who have been silenced for far too long. It's time to empower women and support them so they can have the freedom to live their lives on their own terms. And it is time for men to step up and support this movement and to learn how to live with empowered women and work together to fill the gap of gender inequality. This is not about shifting the power or standing against men. It is about standing with women, fighting for equality and creating a better world for all of us. So I invite you to join me and other women and men supporters to celebrate International Women's Day 2023 on Zoom. Looking forward to see you in the call. Zan Zendgi Azadi.